This is a very popular patent tool case. Concave convex design, which can be stacked up at a dock. Moving at will is still as stable as a rock. The safety buckle opens and closes smoothly. Stiffeners are designed around to increase the impact resistance of the case. Thoughtfully designed TSC keyhole. It is filled with paper products and loaded for 2 hours without any slight deformation. It can fully meet the daily use. Reinforcing rib handle, so that the tool case can bear more than its own weight. Not afraid of daily violent impact or accidentally tumble. Even if it falls from a height of 2 meters, the case is still intact. Rubber sealing ring is embedded around the cover. The pressure valve design effectively enhances the water resistance and tightness of the box. Not afraid of heavy rain. Not afraid of falling into the water. Not afraid of flooding. The inside of the toolbox remains dry. High-quality cushioning sponge. No friction between guns when moving. Small sponge can adjust the storage space according to the size of the guns. Multiple internal configurations. Such a cost-effective handgun case may allow you to develop a good storage habit and support multiple color customization.